Hello everyone and welcome back to a look at home. So today it's going to be a garden tour for July 2022, and this is just like an update. I'm sure some of you have seen my previous garden videos and how we're trying to just improve our back garden. So this is now May and this is work in progress. We've got a lot of soil that we need to move, and we're trying to find some cheaper ways to move the soil. Some of the soil we're going to be using it in raised beds. So that's the progress right there. So this is another little corner in our back garden, and we are going to gravel up this area as well and just make it a low maintenance area. And I found this little beautiful fern. We just found it there and it's just growing beautifully. I wish I had lots because I really like it. This is now where we are, and I've been planting up a few flowers just to fill in the garden, but I still need a lot more. As you can see, I've got a lot of empty beds still. I want to make this corner into a secret garden. That's the plan that I have in my mind, and your suggestions are welcome. I've got so many ideas and I just can't wait to see the final result. Those are the towels that we have. Oh, I've just passed it. That's the rest of the garden. I've just planted up that central area, and we need to build a retaining wall for those plants. And we're going to dig out this bottom garden, and we're planning on putting gravel, you know, right at the where the garden slopes. It's all going to be gravel. I hope it's gonna look nice. It's slowly coming in and it's slowly making sense. One thing that I think I need to include in the garden is a little bit of height, because I just feel like everything is still flat. But I've planted some trees, a few trees, and I hope that they're going to grow very big and tall. So just a quick reminder of how the garden looked before and how it's coming along. I added a bit more plants there, but as you can see, I still need more. This middle section is pretty bare. As you can see, I only planted some lavenders, and then there I'm making a rock garden. I hope it's going to look as nice as I've got the picture in my head. I've got some beautiful clematis, and my beautiful hostas are absolutely shining this year. So this is where we are with the garden. I'm really enjoying the process. Lots of hard work, but it's so rewarding to see the results. So thank you all for watching, and in the meantime guys, before I go, I also went to a garden center and I just enjoyed looking at all these beautiful roses and beautiful plants. Some of these plants I'll also be getting for my garden for some of the blank spots that I still have. So just enjoy, and thank you very much for watching. Until next time, goodbye. On. Oh, that is beautiful.
It's a very deep chair. It's like you're really going down.
Oh, something about flowers that just. Oh, that is beautiful.
This one's even more beautiful. Is it just me, or this has got like Hawaiian vibes. The colours, do they?
Smell these. Come and smell these.